working on a C-clamp on with some paint thinner. And here's my buddy Michael right now shaking up the can so that way we can use it and put it on this C-clamp that I'm working on. It's a 2-inch C-clamp. And here I am now filling it up, and he's dipping it right in there to get the rest of the paint off of it so I can do some work to it that needs to be done. Here he was right now trying to use the grinder, and he did not know how to wire brush it right. So I started showing him how to do it. So that way he'll learn not to kill himself on it. And here I am using the grinder on it to wire brushing the swivel part that tightens up and loosens it. Yeah, there's my buddy Michael. Yeah, he's so freaking annoying, but I love this guy. We've been friends since high school, in middle school actually. And here is part of the C-clamp I took back to my apartment, and I decided to put a tap die on it so that way I can put the threads. The threads wasn't on it very good, so I decided to tighten it down and get it where the threads would work properly so that way I get a nice smooth threading whenever I get it, back together. And it's going through, and my next thing I need to do is paint it. So here I am right now putting on primer, gray paint on it. It's looking good so far. Now here's the maroon color I have done to it. And I thought it'd be looking pretty cool with that maroon color, so I decided to paint it that. It's been a heck of a work it's done. See, there's a better view of me right now painting it down. I had to cover up some places where I didn't want the paint to be on. Put some, what is it called? Some kind of tape, I can't remember right now. But here I am sanding down the metal piece for it to be, to go where the swivel will go on. So that way I can loosen it and tighten it and whatnot. I'm already up to 60 to already up to 600 grit right now. All I did do nothing but sand and sand and sand. Here's a 1500 grit that I started using to try to get it smooth and shiny looking. And here I am doing it too. Right there's that swivel I was talking about. I had to sand that down too and get it to look really nice. And try to make this thing look like it's never been used before. Make it brand new, really, because that's what I like to do on my spare time when I'm not working. And here I am now sanding the top part of the C-clamp there, right there on the top end, get it chromed down and sand it, try to get the rest of the paint off of it. And here it is now, me polishing it, laying down the compound on it. And here's me polishing it off and get all the compound off of it. And I had to end up sanding it again, so that way it would take some of the marks off of it I had. And now here I am reassembling this thing and trying to get it all together and ready so I could be done with it. This tool is made from China, but I don't know how old it is or anything like that, but I kept myself occupied during the day so I can have something to do on my days off at work. I really enjoy doing my restoration on tools and stuff. It's been my life dream to do this. And here I am now testing it out. Well, this has been another success story in the books. I hope y'all enjoyed watching my videos, and thank you, and have a nice day. Please leave me some comments in the video. Thank you. Have a great day.